Hi, I'm David with Sawblade.com. Today we're here to talk about the Q201 hardback carbon bandsaw blade. The Q201 is a high-strength carbon steel single-piece wood-cutting blade. Its spring-tempered backer and heated teeth provide superior performance in your wood-cutting applications. This hardback carbon blade is available in pitches from 2 to 6 tooth and from 8 to 18 tooth. This carbon blade can provide straighter cuts with heavier feed pressure and can be used on vertical, contour, and utility bandsaws. The Q201 can cut hardwoods, oaks, pecans, maples, any type of wood cutting application. So if you're in need of a hardback carbon blade, you go to Sawblade.com and order your Q201 hardback carbon bandsaw blade. We keep plenty of stock to weld your blade to the desired length immediately to provide the quality necessary and also the delivery to keep you in production. Thanks for watching. I'm David with Sawblade.com, and remember, we're your competitive advantage.